Hey everyone, it's Mama Does Nails and welcome back to my channel. I hope that you're all having an amazing day, and I'm about to make it even better because Madam Glam are having a 2-day event. So from today, the 15th, till tomorrow, the 16th, you can use these codes on screen and save 50%. Yeah, 50%. Now guys, for this event, I am going to do what I absolutely love. I love abstract art, and I'm using some of my favorite gels from Madam Glam. Meet me in New York, I Heart New York, I Rule, and Yellow Cap. So this is okay, I have these colors on my palette, but on the nails I have put on my base from this month's collection, Honeycomb. Right. Now, I've also put down some blooming gel because I want all these colors on the nail. So I'm going to be just working simultaneously on all the nails. I'm going to just sort of mute myself and let you just watch, guys. Please enjoy. I have cured the nails, I have base coat them, I have wiped it, and now I am going to use some of this rose gold foil. Okay, so I'm going to do that. Again, I'm going to just kind of mute myself and then just foil away. thank you all so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this little video. Now, this wasn't a tutorial. This was more about me using some of my favorite products from Madam Glam to create a beautiful set. Now, I did go in with that rose gold gel paint because the black was just like, I just needed something around it, and now it's perfect. My butterfly was so impromptu. I wasn't going to do a butterfly. You already saw what the theme was, and I was going to do another French, and I was like, I think the butterfly just came to me. But yeah, we added lots of bits and bobs, and you know, I tried to do the veins so that we could still see the color from beneath. So yeah, this is just like one of the many things that you can do using Madam Glam. And because the rose gold paint, gel paint, and the black gel paint don't require a top coat, I was able to go on top of my art because I had already top coated the base. So yeah, guys, that's the set. OMG, what are we thinking? I absolutely love it. I had to change some of them around just to fit my butterfly in, but I love it. Again, guys, don't forget to use the discount codes.